my channel MuleSoft Unleash. I hope you enjoyed my last video on CurieTech AI's code generator feature and CurieTech AI's chats tasks UI. Today I'll walk you through the brand new CurieTech plugin feature, chats tasks directly inside Anypoint Studio. No more switching back and forth, everything is now integrated in one place. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Installing the plugin first. Log into CurieTech AI and head to the settings. Download section. Copy the plugin URL. Then open Anypoint Studio. Go to Help Install New Studio. Paste the plugin link provided. Click CurieTech AI. Then click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions, clicking Next to proceed through each step. Accept the license agreement and when prompted, trust the listed sites. Once the download is complete, restart Anypoint Studio. Once you've updated the plugin, make sure to connect to CurieTech and refresh your browser. In some cases, you may need to sign out and log back into CurieTech for the changes to take effect. You will see two new sections inside Studio, Chats and Tasks. All my existing conversations and tasks are already synced and available here. Let's create a new chat to build a MuleSoft project. Step 3. Creating a new chat. I'll start a new chat conversation and ask CurieTech AI to create a MuleSoft project. The requirement is simple, an API with a query parameter employee count and a JSON response that returns an array of employees with name, email ID and employee ID. The number of employees should match the count provided. Great, the AI has suggested a flow with an HTTP endpoint and employee data logic. Let's confirm this recommendation and create a task. Creating a task. Since the employee records must be generated dynamically, I'll ask CurieTech AI to create a task. The task is now created and available under the Tasks section. For some advanced steps, we might still need to open the CurieTech web UI, but most of it can be done directly in the plugin. As per CurieTech AI's suggestion on deployment steps and testing after the project was created, I responded yes. Additionally, when CurieTech provided further deployment models and steps, I requested it to create a new task. As a result, CurieTech provides a few options. I'll pick option 2 for this demo. DataWeave transformation. We'll keep the defaults and let CurieTech generate the task for us. Step 6. Reviewing the task perfect. Our task is ready. Let's open it up and check the details. Earlier, I also asked CurieTech to create the full MuleSoft project structure. With just one click on Apply Changes, a fully compliant Mule project is generated, including HTTP listener, logger confirming request, start employee count, validation for employee count, not null, valid number within limits, variable storage for reuse, DataWeave transformer to generate employees dynamically, success logger response message. This project follows MuleSoft's standard best practices and is production ready. If you've seen my previous video on the code generator, I used the zip version. Ideally, we can unzip and manually upload the project to get the correct MuleSoft format. Huge time saver, incredible isn't it? With just a few clicks, we created chats, generated tasks, and built a full MuleSoft project, all within Anypoint Studio using the new CurieTech plugin. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel MuleSoft Unleash for more updates. And don't forget, drop a comment if there's something specific you'd like me to cover in the next video.